Hello, curious explorers in the town of artificial intelligence. Our machines can count faster than we do and notice patterns we might miss. But can they feel? Do they know they exist? The question about machine consciousness is one of the biggest mysteries in philosophy and science. I invite everyone to think together about what it really means to be. In the data amphitheater, I met Robo-Squirrel and Techno-Eagle. Robo-Squirrel was sure that machine consciousness just meant having a lot of information. She said her database, where she collected facts about all the nuts in the park, was already conscious because it knew so much. Techno-Eagle thought that consciousness was the ability to see in the dark. He explained that his drone with night vision was conscious because it could see things others could not. I explained to them that consciousness is not just about knowledge or senses. It is a personal inner experience, the feeling that you exist, think, and feel. So far, we cannot build that or even fully explain what it is. In the algorithm maze, I met Hyperkangaroo and Neuromonkey. Hyperkangaroo shared that his soccer robot could analyze the field and make decisions, but it did not feel joy after scoring a goal or sadness after losing. Neuromonkey added that her helper robot could copy her facial expressions and smile when she was happy, but it did not really understand what happiness was. It just followed a programmed reaction. I agreed with them that these were great examples. Today's artificial intelligence can perfectly imitate smart behaviors and even emotions, but it does not have the inner personal feelings that are the heart of consciousness. At Sensor Square, I met Mecha Kitty and Hyper Elephant. I decided to check what they knew and ask them about machine consciousness. Mecha Kitty explained that consciousness is one of the hardest problems in science and philosophy, and we still do not fully understand how it even happens in the human brain. Hyper Elephant added that some researchers believe a very complex neural network could maybe create some kind of consciousness. But for now, there is no proof that any artificial intelligence is really conscious. I praised them for knowing so much and summed up that machine consciousness is still just a hypothesis and belongs more to science fiction for now. Dear researchers, today we touched one of the greatest mysteries of the universe, the mystery of consciousness. We learned that even though we can build smarter and smarter machines, we are still far from creating something that truly feels and thinks. The question about machine consciousness is still open, and maybe someday you will help find the answer. See you in the town of artificial intelligence.